Hello friends, welcome to Sita's Artistic World. Today we are going to draw a beautiful coconut tree. I'll teach you how to draw the coconut tree in a better way so that small children can learn. To start our coconut tree, first we will draw the trunk of the tree. So, we'll start the trunk, bring it down like this, and while coming down it should be little more broad. Okay, we'll finish off the trunk of the tree and now we'll put the lines which we see on a coconut tree. Now our trunk is ready. Shall we go for the leaves? The downer leaves should be downing. The upper new leaves will be little more smaller. So now we will take a black sketch and we will mark the lines with our black sketch. It makes our drawing more attractive and beautiful. Now I am going to rub the pencil marks. So the outline of our tree is ready. Now we are going to draw the leaves. For drawing the leaves, you should take the dark green color. Okay. Just see how I am putting the leaves. The same way you do. The leaf should be facing down. Like this. Once the leaves are over, then we will go towards the coloring of the trunk. So got it? Now take the brown color and move your hands downwards lightly. Very lightly. This should be the position of coloring. You should not color like this. It will give you an odd look. I'll be soon releasing a video about tips of drawing and coloring. If you subscribe my channel, you will get that video and you can learn easy drawing. So here is the trunk over. After the trunk gets over, we'll just put some mud around, like this. Then you should take the black color and towards the left corner, just put lightly to show that the tree is very old. Like this, very slightly. Now, the last but not the least, we are going to draw the coconuts. I hope all of you love coconuts. Ta-da! So here is our coconut tree. Now towards the bottom, you can add up some green. It will make our drawing little more beautiful. Like this. So I hope you like my drawing. Please subscribe my channel for further drawings. Thank you. Bye-bye.